Everyone uses storage devices to store their data, and many people use pen drives. But do you know how does pen drives work? Let's talk about it in this video. So let's get into the video. Before telling you all how does pen drives work, I want to show you all what's inside pen drives and how does they work to store your data in your pen drive. So there are three main components. The board, which holds all the components, including the USB connector, which allows you to connect to a device. Memory storage chip, which is called the NAND flash memory. That's why we call flash drives. So everything is stored in this chip. Without this storage chip, it's a useless pen drive. Controller chip. This is a microcontroller, which is like a small computer. This chip controls all the components in the pen drive, which is like the brain of the pen drive. So it retrieves information as well as it read and write data into the storage chip. Board, storage chip and the controller chip. So these are the three main components in your pen drive which allows you to store data in your pen drive. So if you learned something from this video, subscribe to Side Mirror and click the like button. Also, if you want to get a notification, click the bell icon and click over. See you all on the next video. Side Mirror beyond your side.